Okay, I'm going to be singing Hummingbird Heartbeat by Katy Perry. Yeah. Okay, so here we go. You make me feel like I'm losing my virginity. The first time, every time when you're touching me, I'll make you bloom like a flower that you've never seen under the sun when you're warm, cause an energy let's pollinate to create a family tree. This evolution with you comes naturally. Some call it science, science, we call it chemistry. This is the story of the birds and the bees. And even with seasons change, our love still stays the same. You give me that hummingbird heartbeat, spread my wings and make me fly. The taste of your honey is so sweet. When you give me that hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat. I've gone a million miles just to find the magic seed under the flower with the part open wide to me. It's so exotic, my whole body fluttering, cause then you're craving for a taste of your sticky sweet. I was on the brink of a heart attack. You give me a laugh and keep me coming back. I see the sunrise in your eyes, your eyes. You got a future full of blue skies, blue skies. Even with seasons change, our love still stays the same. You give me that hummingbird heartbeat, spread my wings and make me fly. The taste of your honey is so sweet. When you give me that hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat. You love me, never love me, no, no, oh. When we're in perfect harmony, you make me sound like a symphony. Oh, spread my wings and make me fly. The taste of your honey is so sweet. When you give me that hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat, bird heartbeat. Spread my wings and make me fly. The taste of your honey is so sweet. When you give me that hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat, hummingbird heartbeat.